1 John 4:10 to 11. Herein is love, not that we have loved God, but that He loved us, and sent His Son as a propitiation for our sins. Beloved, if God has loved us in this way, we also ought to love one another. These verses reveals to us what real love truly is. It doesn't start with us loving God, it starts with God loving us first. God proved His love by sending His Son as the propitiation, the one who dealt with our sins and brought us back to God. Because we have received such a deep and unconditional love, John says we ought to love one another in the same way. Even though we cannot see God, when we love others with the love He has given us, God is expressed through us, and His love becomes real and visible in our daily living.